G'day all, here is my OKMO B02 hit and miss engine that I got from Vortrixe, and I did an unboxing of it a few days ago, and I have had 101 things to do, none of them things that I really wanted to do, but I am on top of all that stuff now, so I've finally got time to start the B02 for the first time. So let's get some fuel into it. I use shellite, and I use the shellite 25:1 with Marvel's mystery oil. So excited to start this. I am doing it in my steam room because it's so hot and humid outside. It's pretty miserable here on a Friday morning in Australia on the south coast of New South Wales. These little pipettes you can buy from eBay really cheaply, and I find them fantastic for fueling up hit and miss engines. So I get this little cap on, the fuel cap, putting it on with my left hand. That was pretty quick. Now I'll put the cap on that, so I don't want that to spill. Now I have done one thing. I have oiled, I've taken these tiny little wee oil caps off. I didn't want to torture you with my fat fingers taking them off and on and oiling them, and I've put a few drops of oil in, and I have filled up this beautiful little oiler. You'll see with mine's got a little mod here. I've put a threaded brass on the end of my muffler, and I covered up that with masking tape around the OKMO label, and I scraped it off with a file, and I made that nice with the brass. Now let's get this going. So excited. So let's get some fuel along that fuel line. Okay, I think that's got fuel on it. Let's see. Okay, for the first time. Wow, the very first time. I think that's the first gas engine, petrol engine, that I've ever taken out of the box and it started first time. Listen to that hit and missing. I'm so pleased with this. Look at that running. It's not dancing around. It's not moving at all. Wow, Gene, you've outdone yourself. What a beautiful miniature hit and miss engine. Wow. Now I haven't altered anything on this. This is straight out of the box. No adjustments whatsoever at the moment. Just running straight out of the box. I'm going to stop it and see if I can start it by hand. Okay, so you've all seen that running just out of the box. 0 adjustments. And as I said before, it's running on 25:1 shellite. And that's mixed with Marvel's Mystery Oil. But wow. Pleased with this? Do I sound pleased with this? This is just incredible. So on. Let's see if it starts. Oh wow. I'm going to do that again. I'm going to have to do that again. Oh, that's just beautiful. This is also the first little miniature hit and miss engine that I've owned that doesn't jump around. No movement on my work table at all. I still haven't read the instruction manual. It'll be good to read the instruction manual and see what adjustments I can make. But look at that. I tell you what, it looks good with the red paint taken off the OKMO brand label. Just a fabulous job from Jin at OKMO. Jin's come out with a listed D engine now, a miniature listed D engine that looks fabulous as well. It's just incredible what Jin is bringing out. Engine after engine after engine, and they're all just fantastic. I can see why everybody's been raving about the B02. That's as cool as a cucumber. For the first run, all I've got is distilled water in the hopper. Usually I put a mix of Balistol and water in there, moose milk. The Balistol, when the water evaporates, the Balistol stays behind and protects any ferrous metal or any splashes or anything, stops all rust. Okay, turn her off. Wow, I think I said wow about 20 times or probably more. This is just an absolutely stunning engine. This new carburetor that Jin's made is, like I said before, it's just a work of art. It's absolutely beautiful. As always, thanks for watching and bye for now.